These laptops look normal, but inside they're absolute powerhouses.
One delivers desktop-level performance, one lasts all day without charging, and one is so powerful it can replace your entire setup.
But here's the twist, number 1 is on another level. Trust me, you'll regret skipping this. Let's begin right now. Fire. Number 5, Dell XPS 15, 2026. Dell XPS 15, 2026. Expected price, $1,499. Launch date, March 2026. Battery/power. This laptop comes with a large 86Wh battery, which is designed for real-world productivity.
In normal daily usage, like browsing, watching YouTube for 2 to 3 hours, working on documents, and attending meetings, it easily lasts around 10 to 12 hours. That means you can start your day at 9 a.m. and still have battery left by evening without charging. Under heavy usage like video editing or light gaming, it gives around 5 to 6 hours, which is still impressive for a high-performance laptop. It supports 130W fast charging, so even if you're low on battery, you can get around 70 to 80% charge in just 45 minutes.
Compared to many Windows laptops, this battery is more optimized and reliable for full-day usage. Camera with flash camera/key specs. The Dell XPS 15 features a 1080p Full HD webcam with AI enhancements like background noise reduction and auto-framing.
This makes your video calls look clear and professional even in low light conditions.
High voltage performance/features. Powered by Intel Core Ultra 7 with up to 32GB RAM and fast SSD storage, this laptop handles multitasking easily.
You can open 20+ Chrome tabs, run heavy software like Photoshop, and still experience smooth performance. Light gaming runs around 60 to 80 FPS on medium settings. Television display/visuals. It has a 15.6-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and everything looks premium.
Fire extras. Premium build, thin design, and excellent keyboard make it a perfect all-rounder. Number 4, ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16, 2026. Expected price, $1,899. Launch, January 2026. Battery/power. The Zephyrus G16 packs a 90Wh battery, which is quite impressive for a gaming laptop.
In normal usage like browsing, watching videos, and light work, it can last around 8 to 10 hours, which is rare in gaming machines. However, during heavy gaming sessions, especially while playing AAA titles like Warzone or Cyberpunk, the battery lasts around 3 to 5 hours depending on settings.
It supports fast charging up to 150W, allowing you to quickly get back into gaming.
Compared to other gaming laptops, this battery performs much better, making it suitable for both work and play.
Camera with flash camera/key specs.
It includes a 1080p webcam with AI-powered background blur and noise reduction, making it ideal for streaming and online meetings.
High voltage performance/features. Powered by AMD Ryzen 9 9000 series processor and RTX 4070 or 4080 GPU, this laptop delivers serious performance. You can play AAA games at ultra settings with 120+ FPS. It also handles multitasking like gaming plus streaming plus Discord without lag.
Television display/visuals.
It features a 16-inch QHD OLED display with a 240Hz refresh rate.
This means ultra-smooth gameplay and stunning visuals with accurate colors.
Fire extras.
RGB lighting, advanced cooling system, and slim gaming design make it stand out.
Number 3, Dell XPS 13 Plus, 2026. If you want a laptop that looks premium, feels futuristic, and performs like a beast, this is where things get seriously exciting. The Dell XPS 13 Plus, 2026, is one of the most refined Windows ultrabooks ever made. It's not just a laptop, it's a statement. From the moment you open it, you feel like you're using something ahead of its time. Let's start with performance.
This machine is powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra processors, delivering insanely smooth performance whether you're multitasking, editing videos, coding, or running heavy software.
Combined with ultra-fast LPDDR5X RAM and next-gen SSD storage, everything feels instant and responsive. Now here's what makes it special: the design. It's ultra-thin, incredibly lightweight, and built with a premium aluminum chassis that feels solid yet elegant. The edge-to-edge keyboard, invisible trackpad, and minimalist look make it one of the most futuristic laptops you can buy right now. The display? Absolutely stunning. You get a 13.4-inch high-resolution OLED panel with deep blacks, vibrant colors, and incredible sharpness. Perfect for creators, Netflix lovers, and anyone who appreciates a beautiful screen. But performance isn't everything, battery life matters too. And this laptop delivers solid all-day usage, easily handling work, meetings, and entertainment without constantly reaching for the charger. Another big advantage is thermal efficiency. Thanks to advanced cooling design, it stays cool and consistent even under heavy workloads, meaning no lag, no slowdown. So who should buy this? Professionals, students, content creators, anyone who wants a premium Windows alternative. Bottom line, if you want MacBook level quality, but in Windows, this is one of the best choices in 2026. Number 2, MacBook Pro M4 Pro, 2026. Expected price, $1,999. Launch, February 2026. Battery/power. The MacBook Pro M4 Pro is built for both performance and efficiency. It comes with a larger 72Wh battery that delivers exceptional results in real-world usage. For normal daily tasks such as browsing, coding, video streaming, and office work, it can easily last around 14 to 16 hours. This means you can go through an entire workday without worrying about charging. For heavy workloads like 4K or even 8K video editing, rendering, or software development, it still manages to deliver around 8 to 10 hours of battery life. That's something very few high-performance laptops can achieve. It also supports fast charging, reaching up to 50% in around 30 minutes, making it very convenient for professionals on the go. Camera with flash camera/key specs. This laptop features a 1080p camera paired with studio-quality microphones. The audio clarity is so good that you don't even need an external mic for meetings or recording. Video quality is sharp, natural, and well balanced in different lighting conditions. High voltage performance/features. The M4 Pro chip is extremely powerful. With up to 36GB RAM and high-speed SSD storage, this laptop handles everything effortlessly. You can edit multiple 4K video layers, run heavy coding environments, or use professional tools like Final Cut Pro and Blender without any lag. Multitasking feels seamless, and unlike many Windows laptops, it stays cool and quiet even under pressure. Television display/visuals. It offers a 14-inch or 16-inch mini LED display with a 120Hz promotion refresh rate. HDR content looks incredibly bright and detailed, and the smooth scrolling adds to the premium experience. Fire extras. Top-tier speakers, premium build quality, and unmatched optimization make it perfect for creators and professionals. Number 1, Razer Blade 16. Push pin. Expected price, $2,999. Launch, January 2026. Battery/power. The Razer Blade 16 comes with a massive 95Wh battery, designed to support high-end performance. In normal usage like browsing, watching videos, and light work, it delivers around 8 to 9 hours of battery life. However, when you push it to its limits with gaming or heavy creative work, the battery lasts around 4 to 5 hours. It uses a powerful 280W charger, ensuring fast and stable charging. For a laptop this powerful, the battery performance is actually very impressive. Camera with flash camera/key specs. It features a 1080p webcam with AI enhancements, providing clear and sharp video quality for streaming in meetings. High voltage performance/features. This is where the Razer Blade 16 dominates. It is powered by Intel Core i9 processor and RTX 4090 GPU, combined with up to 64GB RAM. This means you can run the most demanding games and software without any lag. AAA games run at 150+ FPS, and software like Unreal Engine, Blender, and Adobe Premiere Pro run extremely smoothly. It literally feels like using a high-end desktop PC. Television display/visuals. It has a 16-inch 4K OLED display with a 240Hz refresh rate. This combination delivers both ultra-sharp visuals and super smooth motion, making it perfect for both gaming and creative work. Fire extras. Premium aluminum build, advanced cooling system, and powerful hardware make it the ultimate laptop of 2026.